I came across a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree. I felt near fear upon my back, said, "Tell the bitches keep on walking." When a big black horse looked this way, said, "Hi lady, will you marry me?" But I said no, 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 no. I said no, no, you're not the one for me. No, 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 no. I said no, no, you're not the one for me. Hey, in my heart, and every ounce, I could pay for a bit of tea. But I caught some cars and I shooted them down, and anyone forgive me after all these things. Yeah. But I said, no, 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 no. I said, no, 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 you're not the one for me. Yeah. Baby, cars and the cherry tree. Keep rocking because cause you came in.
Ragazzaccia! Hai fatto girare tutti e quattro! Sei una padronanza della voce, dello strumento, del corpo anche! Veramente!